Y'all better come on to Amber Cove Port. They got the pools, free pool. You can walk to the beach in 20 minutes. But gotta go because this music is, y'all know YouTube and this music, but check it out, check it out. We in DI. Hi! Check out all the pretty girls. Where are y'all today? I'm here on the beach looking nice. What are you doing? You can come to Amber Cove and not buy an excursion. There's no tender port. It's like right here. You just walk over. So this is my new favorite port, y'all. So if it ain't going to Amber Cove, I don't want to go. This is better than Celebration Key, honestly. Celebration Key, I don't mess with Celebration Key that much. We are almost to Dominican Republic. Good morning, Glam Crew. We are at Amber Cove. Just got off the Carnival Magic. I'm walking to my short excursion. We are doing over the water ziplining, and it comes with lunch and a beach stop. It's a lot to do at Amber Cove. You do not need a shore excursion. Just get off the boat and it's so much stuff to do already. Remember, me and my son got on one of those little bicycle carts in Cabo. They have them here and they work on tips. So bring some cash. Whatever you tip them is fine. They don't have like a set, oh, $10. It's just whatever you tip them here in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. I gotta hurry up because I got like 5 minutes to get to my excursion. Bye, y'all. It's real people. I thought it was fake people up there playing music. Hey, bestie.
Hey, best friend.
This is what Amber Cove looks like. Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Yeah, the tour guide just said the zip line that we're gonna take is 4 lines, and one of the lines is 120 miles. They say 120 miles? 120 feet.
He said 1,000.
120,000 feet.
No, he said 1,000.
It's long over the water.
He said like 1,200 feet.
Lord.
gentlemen.
Thank you.
Where is that?
That's the Mamajuana?
No, Mamajuana. Yeah.
Mamajuana.
Loco aphrodisíaco drink.
Oh, that's from this.
Oh,
Look.
my goodness, yeah. Good job.
Cheers. Can I get a little bit more? Gracias. Ready?
Ready.
Arriba, abajo, para el centro y para adentro.
Arriba, abajo.
Para el centro. Ajá.
Actually, that was not bad.
Yeah. No. So,
You okay?
Yeah, it's alcohol.
Delicioso.
delicioso. Before you leave, come here, get Mamajuana. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got a whole little kit, y'all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I'll meet you here.
Okay. This chicken was good. The rice and beans, delicious. My hat trying to blow away. I just changed into my swimsuit, y'all. So ziplining was fun. I'll pause and insert some clips right here. I want to pause so y'all can see the zipline videos and whatnot. All right, so now let's head down to the beach. And I can't remember how much this was. I think it was like $110. $110 included zip lining, lunch, and a beach break with drinks. We about to go get some drinks, y'all. Y'all, today I'm here on the beach looking nice. What are you doing? Besties!
Hey, friends. How you doing?
It's a video.
I know. You look so pretty. Let it blue.
Look at that orange swimsuit she got on. Show me swimsuit. Ow, bow, 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 bow. We just came back from our shore excursion. We zip-lined over water. Now we looking at the port. It's a little beach, but they said it take 20 minutes to walk. Y'all, it's hot out here, so.
You took a good photo.
That's cute. I like that.
Period. I got a goldfish on this side.
It's a goldfish. Oh, it's a bunch of them. Look at the goldfish in there. Is them the goldfish? Is they alive? They look dead as hell. Why they not moving? Why can't they cross? Oh, the bridge. Oh, they stuck until the water get thicker, higher, and then they can cross over. It's a lot of them. They just in there.
What's up, glam crew? I'm gonna stick my music down.
Girls hot out here. Them edges
watching?
would have curled right back up.
Watching.
We are in Diamonds International. We collecting our free charms. Oh, this music is gonna get me. Okay, y'all, it was music playing in that store. We was at Diamonds International collecting our free pendant charms. Most ports, if they have a jewelry store, this is how they get y'all in there so they can talk y'all into buying something. But they will have free pendants that you can collect and put on the chain or a bracelet, so you know like where you've been, or if you want like just free souvenirs that you don't even have to pay for from different places that you visit, go to the jewelry store at the port and just ask, do you guys have the free charm, free pendant? And most of them will have something. We got this, and we got a, what was the other one, a stingray? Let me show y'all. We went in Milano, and we got a little stingray. Little tip, hint from Nikki the Glam, Teacher. Oh, this is so pretty. Let me show y'all. Look how pretty that is, y'all. The free pool. The music is Amber Cove, y'all. Free pool. Well, look like this say VIP guest area only. We VIP today, friends. Cabana. Little water park for the kids, y'all. Y'all better come on to Amber Cove Port. They got the pools, free pool. You can walk to the beach in 20 minutes. But gotta go because this music is, y'all know YouTubing is music, but check it out, check it out. We in DR. Hey! Check out all the pretty girls. This is so pretty.
Let's put on the water slide.
I don't like water slides.
I know you better. Ooh.
Made it back on the ship. Ate me a guy's burger. There was no line. Amber Cove is pretty, y'all. There's a lot to do here. You really don't need an excursion in Amber Cove. We got that ziplining excursion, and we really didn't even need it because you can zipline right at the port. So you can come to Amber Cove and not buy an excursion. There's no tender port. It's like right here. You just walk over. So this is my new favorite port, y'all. So if it ain't going to Amber Cove, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. This is better than Celebration Key, honestly. Celebration Key, I don't mess with Celebration Key that much. Bye, Glam crew. That's it for my day. Bye. My nephew is about to be in a pickleball tournament at 4:30, and I gotta go support my nephew. We about to sail away. I go get my baby out the kids camp and prepare for my birthday tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna be in Grand Turk. And I'm gonna put on my sexy swimsuit. Y'all like this swimsuit? She in for the $6.99. The $6.99. But bye. I'm gonna show y'all as we sail away. I'm gonna try to, because I might be at the pickleball tournament. Go do my auntie doodles. I ain't been doing too much mommy doodles. This the mama now.
It's the pappy now.
Bye, Glam crew.